Hey, it's Nick from SupplyHouse.com. The Milwaukee switchback's gotta be easier to move around than one of these guys, right? Let's find out. To do so, we set up a quick obstacle course to simulate real-life situations. Stepping over something in your way, navigating a narrow space, climbing a ladder to get to a job, and general maneuverability. After running through that with each tool, we'll compare the times. In this corner, weighing in at 112 pounds and standing 21 inches tall, the sewer snake. This plug-in unit operates at 1/3 horsepower, auto-feeds up to 20 feet per minute, and has a convenient set of wheels. And in the other corner, weighing in at just 28 pounds and standing 17 3/4 inches tall, the Milwaukee switchback. Utilizing the M18 battery system, this wireless unit can be carried like a backpack and generates a spin speed of up to 250 rotations per minute. Really, it was no contest. The switchback was much easier on the course and on my back. Thanks for watching. Watch more Milwaukee videos here.